Kirang berkithira anar nakeleng ke distrik JYLLA Meghalaya kilapoi banishimenta hakalempung ranar kebelaktip kumka Meghalaya Invitation Weightlifting Tournament balap pelong da Garibhoi Weightlifting Association haringat kejing trelang bat ka Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ya kebalap pelong ha Indo Stadium umlang kedaj kini kejing kop ranar la pelong arsengi kata ha khatwei tarik wiayong bat penkot pat ha khat tarik wiayong la sakhiru bakani gelempung kalong shisha ke baitanat bat ke basong shit ha ke bakite girang bagithei kelai khunting e bat seiru yala kesap ke bor banyok khor ya kitakma ha ke kedan banikong baar ba balai ha kesni penkot no ya kani gelempung lawan masa khilang du MP ke Shillong u Dr. SYNGKON kumkongsan hankat kejingadan lang ba John F. Kharshieng President ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA ba MB Tongper ADC ke Ribhoi ba Donald Rembai Presiden ke Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ba Anthony Khanayor Presiden ke Ribhoi District Weightlifting Association bat kiwei u Dr. SYNGKON ula ai kublai ya kinang punya kibla shimkia shisha ban pelong ya kini kelempung ke baitanat ha juga por ula ai kublai ru ya kikimi kpa kibalong kinong kershan kibakongsan e na gabanta kikhun ha keba kilawan ban ai museum ya lagi khun ha kini kelempung ha kebakut jong kete gelempung na kaliang kinong panya ikila samru da kita kema berkisenot syaboro kinong job ha ki kerdan berper kibla yo ban punya kop ha kete gelempung
That today is not just a celebration of strength, but of discipline, of determination, of coordination, and the unwavering spirit of our athletes. Now to all the participants, men, women, I also saw some young ones. You, each one of you are the heart of this great event. Well, the sport of weightlifting is not merely lifting weights. I believe it's also about lifting your own limits. And we saw today one of the athletes whose body weight is 55 kg and lifting, I think, 80 kg.